What's up, hi-fi fans? This is Bob from BobWire. In this video, I will show you how to use my SPK1 to automatically switch between a SONOS amp or WiiM amp and your surround sound receiver or 2-channel stereo system. The SPK1 can be set up for audio sensing mode or 12-volt trigger mode. In this example, I will be using the audio sensing mode. Here you can see that input A of the SPK1 is connected to the left and right speaker outputs of the surround sound receiver. Input B is connected to the left and right outputs of the SONOS amp. By default, input A will be selected. This means that your surround sound receiver will work just as normal and the left and right outputs will be connected to your left and right speakers. Input B on the SPK1 is the audio sensing input. As soon as you start playing audio through the SONOS amp, the SPK1 will immediately and automatically switch over to input B and connect the SONOS amp to your speakers. The audio detection circuits on the SPK1 are extremely sensitive and will react even at extremely low volume levels. Here's an example where we have the radio playing on the receiver, which is connected to input A. The SONOS amp is still connected to input B. As soon as I start playing music on the SONOS amp, the SPK1 will switch over to input B. When I stop playing the SONOS amp, the SPK1 will switch back over to the receiver. The amount of time that the SPK1 waits to switch back from B to A can be set from 1 second to 3 minutes using the delay adjustment knob. The delay can be set any time between 1 second and 3 minutes. Generally, you would want to set the delay to at least 30 seconds to prevent the SPK1 from switching back to input A between tracks or during very quiet parts of the music. If you also have subwoofers, the model RCA1 can be added. The two products can be linked using the included 12-volt trigger cable so that they both switch at the exact same time. I've shown the SPK1 with the SONOS amp, but the same setup would work with the WiiM amp or any other amplifier. This has been a demonstration of the BobWire SPK1, automatic, high current, amp and speaker selector. Get them while they're hot, fresh out the box. Amazon Prime.